better late than never. I finally caught me something that was I really been looking to get my hands onto. I think it's one of the dopest shoes that's came out. And I talked about this with the white patent leather ones, but now the pack that they dropped with the 3, they dropping them in single versions. So they didn't drop them all together. They're gonna be dropping them just one by one. And I think I came up with a steal just by stopping by there and grabbing them. So if y'all ready, I'm ready. Shout out to Footlocker. I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off with this one. As y'all can see early in the vlog, we went a couple other places to see what they had, see what steals, and we just winded up in Footlocker, me and my daughter, and I found some heat, and I'm pretty excited about it. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm pretty excited about it. So let's get to it. Bam, bam, bam. Shout out to Footlocker once again. Shout out to Footlocker. Bam, bam, bam. There y'all go. There you go. That light is glaring. It's glaring. Y'all can see that? So, like I said, better late than never. This is a size 11.5. Let's see if y'all can see it. Ooh. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. And let's get into it. So when I went in there was a display model for my size, right? And I'm like, man, should I cop that one or should I not? So I asked him, I said, hey y'all, this is the last size? And he like, let me check. And then Lord behold, he had a couple sizes left. And they was mine. I'm excited about it. I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited about it. So let's get into the shoe. Bam, bam, bam. Y'all see it. Bam, 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 bam. Yes. Better late than never. I am extraordinarily happy I was able to get my hands on these. Now, let me tell y'all why I'm extremely happy. Hold on, because we got glares. We got glares on glares on glares. Alright, so, bam, there you have it. It's gonna glare because this shoe is a shiny shoe. This is one of the packs of the Air Force Ones. The 3-pack, the patent pack that they dropped, is one of those. So when I tell you Seahawks jersey, whatever you want to do to get this color off, I'm still waiting on the yellow to drop. The yellow and the green to drop by itself. I think that drops next month. But this one, I had to cop. I had to. Look at that right there, boy. That light is glaring. That light is crazy. That light is crazy. But yeah, them colors are crazy on there. So, like I said before, if you can take the time to wait on shoes nowadays, they are redropping. The color on these are, you gotta forgive me because I wasn't, Mystic Navy and Grape Ice. The colors on these just go crazy. I wasn't looking to cop these today. It was something I walked in the store and seen, and Lord behold, I'm excited. I'm excited about these. You might can't tell now, but these are a shoe that you gotta get a fit off with, and it gotta be in your collection. So right now, the retail price on these is $125. On StockX and on Goat, they're going for $259. This is a size 11.5. I was glad I got to pick mine up for retail, because did not want to pay resale value on these. Not a burgundy ones I'm not a fan of, but I do want those yellow ones. So if I get a chance to get those yellow ones for retail, y'all already know. We got a video dropping. It's coming. We coming with it. Y'all already know. So be on the lookout for those if I get a chance to get them. But these right here, go crazy. That translucent bottom, man, oh man. Even in the inside with the sole, and it's not like a regular. This is a leather inside on these, so it's not like regular fabric in the inside. So be on the lookout for these, man. Be on the lookout for fits and pics with these, and if you follow me for anything else with my TikTok. We here, we there, we everywhere. Stay blessed, be blessed, and yeah, it's your boy, Josh Kickin, and we out.